How do you know if you have a valid dog bite case in the state of Michigan? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on legal matters here in Michigan, primarily related to things that go on in the family. Obviously, different questions come up all the time. The purpose of these videos is to inform and to give the public that opportunity. So please subscribe to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about dog bites and how they affect people. And how do you know you got a valid dog bite case? So here's the scenario. And I know you're outside or whatever, just paying attention to nothing in particular. And the dog runs out of somebody's house and bites you in the leg. It happens all the time. Well, number one, you got to understand Michigan has strict liability for the responsibility for dog owners, meaning that you don't have to prove that the dog had a tendency to bite people or anything like that. Michigan says that if your dog bites someone, Mr. Homeowner, it is your fault. You own that dog, your problem. The dog lives in your house, and that's your dog, and it bites someone, unless you can prove that someone provoked the dog, you're going to be responsible. And provocation doesn't mean that somebody went up to pet the dog, so it takes a chunk out of his knee. Provocation means that somebody throws a brick at your dog, okay? That's provocation. Most things short of that are not going to constitute provocation, but that's a different subject. The point is that if your dog bites somebody, you're going to be responsible. And the reason why I said you're the homeowner is because it's your homeowner's insurance that takes care of that claim for a dog bite case. So how do you know if you have a dog bite case? Well, if your dog was bitten, that dog's going to be responsible. Now, medical records are going to help you. It's not enough just to get nipped at or something like that. In order to make a case that's worth something, it should be not just something somebody was scared necessarily, but it should be an actual bite, a bite that pierces the skin. Anything that pierces the skin might leave a little triangular mark on your skin or something like that. Anything like that at all is certainly a case. All the way going to much more severe cases. I've had cases, for example, where people were actually sort of mauled and they were knocked down and they broke bones and they had to have surgery. And God forbid they got terrible scarring. Those are very dramatic cases. So, but anything on that spectrum is a legitimate case. And it's a legitimate case. And really the only question in that case is, what's the severity of the damage? And we will know that based on analysis of the medical records and how the person is doing and what their level of disability is and their level of recovery. If you have any questions about your case, of course, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248-588-3333.